Today we will be showing you some bushcraft survival tips for starting a fire. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to take an ember from the fire and put it in. We have some paper here and we've got some birch bark. So I'm going to blow on it when it gets in there and then it should start. So I got to get my ember first. As you can see, there's an ember right there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Just like that. That's how you do it with the ember there.
Okay, for this one you need Vaseline and cotton balls. Okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your Vaseline and rub it all over that cotton ball. Okay, I'm gonna light it now. Okay, the Vaseline, it's an oil, so when you rub it on the cotton ball, it creates a layer that keeps on going more than twice as long a regular cotton ball would. This cotton ball is still on fire. It's been over a minute. We're gonna light this one here that doesn't have any Vaseline on it. Look how quick it's gonna go out. It's out now. This one's out and this one's still going.
For this next trick, I'm going to show you how you can take a can that you've already drank and everything out of it. You can turn that into a little camp stove so you can cook stuff at your campsite. Here I have an old Coke can and I've got a knife and I'm just going to open this up. I'll show you guys, just like that. So we have this like this, and you're just going to bring that down and open it up just like that. And then you've got a little stove right here, which you're going to start your fire by putting your stuff in there. And you're going to take your top bottle cap off, because you don't need that. And this is going to help your flame go up and hit the pan on top. I'll show you. So I've got my cotton ball with Vaseline. That's going to go right on the bottom, so that's going to start. And then we've got some paper here. Just going to put that in. Don't need too much, I can add some. So I'm not going to use all that. And then we've got some birch bark. I'm not going to fill it up with wood just because I'm just going to show you guys how you use this. Just like that. Stuff it in there. Okay. Now I'm just going to light the bottom. Like that, and it should catch everything. Pan right on the top there, just like that, and then you can cook stuff with it. So it's a neat trick you can use if you're camping. Just leave that right on top, and then you can cook your dinner on there. Fire's a little bit crazy right now, so we're just going to take that off. But that shows you it's like a really good stove. And you can put your stuff on top, and it's just a really good way you can cook your stuff at your campsite.
One of nature's greatest tinders is birch bark, also referred to as magic paper, and you'll see why. So you can use the little flakes of birch bark to start the fire, and you use the big thick bark to get the fire going. This is called magic paper. This lights like crazy.
Something else that's flammable that you might not have known is hockey tape. So I've taken some hockey tape and I've rolled it up. I'm just going to light it. So it's kind of cool if you're a hockey player, you can start a fire with your hockey tape.
Okay, for our last tip, we're going to be showing you how to make a simple TP fire. Okay, so you're gonna need to cut a little piece of kindling, and you're gonna need some birch bark. And so the name of this basically describes this fire. So you're gonna want to make a teepee. Okay, once you got your 3 sticks up to hold it, just put all the rest of the sticks along the sides. Okay, once you got your teepee made, you want to put all your birch bark in there. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope these tips were very helpful to you. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.